How to display tagged photos on your Instagram profile. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. Open up your Instagram application first and foremost. Make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Select your user icon at the bottom. Now tap on the tagged icon. In this section, you will find all of the photos or videos that you are tagged in. However, you won't be able to display in your main feed, but people can check it out by tapping on this tagged icon. And that is all that you need to know. However, if it's not being displayed in the section, open up your Play Store and check for your Instagram. Tap on your app and check for an update. If not, uninstall the app and reinstall it later. Then open up your setting, head to your apps, go to all apps, search for your Instagram application in here, force stop it, head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. Once you are in your setting, go ahead and check out for your system update as well. This is to ensure that your system is up to date and it can support the latest version. Mind it, the post will be displayed if the original owner has kept it in their feed. If they have deleted or archived it, the post will be disappeared from your tag section as well. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.